You asked, we listened. Keeping up with maintenance on your Pro R just got easier at utvsource.com. We've put together a complete master maintenance kit so you don't have to. It's gonna save you time and money. Included in your kit, you will receive one All Balls Racing air filter, one All Balls Racing heavy duty CVT belt, one HiFloFilter Oil Filter, 1 liter of Maxima Racing side-by-side gear oil, 1 liter of Maxima Racing side-by-side transmission oil, 6 liters of Maxima Racing ATV full synthetic 5W50 weight oil. Your engine oil, your transmission fluid, and your gear oil all go in your UTV a certain weight, a certain viscosity, a certain classification needed for the components, the critical drive components within your UTV. And over time, these fluids break down. They get hot, and sometimes extreme heat, and then cool down. And they break down, and they lose their viscosity, no longer doing the job they were once intended or classified to do. And their sole job is to lubricate those critical components like bearings, pistons, little ports and seals within the trans. When oil gets dirty and it breaks down to a certain point, you're contaminating everything, and slowly over time, you're grinding metal on metal. So it's very important to change your fluids on the recommended intervals. Now your air filter has one job. It's to bring in clean air so that the motor isn't breathing and combusting dirty air and tearing up your engine. When an air filter gets dirty, it's not allowing enough air to come into the engine to mix with spark and fuel. Therefore, you're robbing horsepower of your machine. You're gonna get some misfires, and sometimes you can get a code on trail for your air filter. Now, belt stretches under heat, under massive load as well, and it doesn't like to have constant brake gas, brake gas, brake gas, and it doesn't like to have constant RPM over a certain duration of time. It gets hot, it stretches, it glazes on the side, and then it snaps, and it's a mess. So all of these components all play a critical role in your UTV staying healthy and ready for its next adventure. Top quality brands we trust and sell. We've taken the guesswork out of it. We've made it simple with one-click solution to maintain your Polaris Pro R. There's no reason to load up your UTV on a trailer, take it down to the dealership, unload it, stand in line, and then see the labor fees you're about to pay for this service. You can do this at home. Besides, don't you want to have the peace of mind knowing that you and you alone have maintained and serviced your UTV? We'll see you soon at utvsource.com. Remember guys, life's a ride. Make it your own.